everyone, welcome to the Jayda and Stitches show. Spools are a really great way to use color for quick color changes when you're doing graph work like we are for this year's Fair Isle style calendar blanket. We do get asked a lot though, how do you know which side of your work your spools should be on while you're doing color changes? Work the first half of the second stitch with color B and then drop it completely and finish with color A. Stitches required on. It doesn't matter what side of your blanket you start your spools on. So for me, I started on the front of my blanket, but you want to make sure you finish on the same side. So when I went to finish off my stitch, I made sure that I pulled my B color to the front, and I want to have all my spools start and finish on the front of my blanket for row 2. If you started on the back, you can have them all start and finish on the back for row 2. It doesn't matter. But when you turn your blanket for the next row, they're all going to move to the other side, and then they start and finish on the same side for that row. When you turn your blanket back the other way, they're all back where they started. So for me, that'll be back here on the front. And then they start and finish on the front. Turn the blanket, they start and finish on the back. Turn the blanket, they start and finish on the front, and so on. And that just kind of helps keep your spools from creating extra color changes as you go. We have done 6 complete repeats of the graph. Again, row 2 of the graph, we have introduced all 6 of our spools. Make sure that whatever side your spools started on, they finished on. So for me, they should all be hanging out facing me right now. We will carefully turn our blankets around. Now, all of my spools are on the other side. They're all facing away from me. That is the side they are going to start and finish on. And then when I turn my blanket around, they will be back on the front again. We hope you found that little quick tip on using spools for color work helpful, and we'll see you soon here on the Jayda and Stitches show. Until then, stay safe, stay crafty, and have a great week. Bye, guys!
Hi, everybody! Mr. and Stitches here. Thank you for watching today. Here are some of our other videos you might be interested in. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe.